Let's take a look at drawing Lewis structures, also known as structural formulas of molecular compounds. And what we're going to do is we're going to replace pairs of bonding electrons with dashes. So, for example, a lone pair is going to still be represented by the two dots. However, a single bond is going to be represented by a single line between two elements. A double bond is going to be replaced by two lines between two elements. And a triple bond is going to be represented by three lines. So let's redo some of these drawings that we did on the previous page. We're going to redo this bond right here as a simple dash. So hydrofluoric acid, we would now draw like this. We would draw oxygen showing a double bond between the two oxygens, and we're still going to represent the lone pairs as a pair of dots. Nitrogen now is going to be represented by two nitrogens connected by a triple bond, and then we still are going to show the lone pairs. Ammonia will be redrawn showing single bonds with dashes between each of the hydrogens and nitrogen. And we retain the lone pair on the nitrogen. Now let's take a look at formaldehyde. Remember, this one was actually kind of a mess in terms of trying to keep a track of what was going on with all the various dots. So we had a drawing on the previous page that looked like this. The more complicated your molecule is, the harder it is to keep track of everything if you're just using dots. However, if we use lines, it becomes much more straightforward to see what's going on in terms of how the atoms are connected. So formaldehyde, if you're using structural formulas, now is represented by this image here.